Hello, hello, friends and men and women. I want to tell you about a workshop that I'm making on November 11th. That's a Saturday, and it's gonna be a workshop for exploring and building your own vision board. A vision board is a collection of images that you put together. It's a visual representation of your map, the map that is within you. This thing that you came here for, whatever you came here for, there is a desire, there is a, not a desire, but it's like a longing or something that you came here to build. And when you put that into a vision board, you have it there on a representation, on a paper, something that you see every day and that you relate with and engage with every day. And the cool thing about this space, this workshop that I'm holding space for, is that I have this new insight of how to get access to these things that you really care about, to the things that you came here for. And it's not a mental process that you go into like, oh, what about this? What about that? It's like bringing in your feelings, bringing in your anger, bringing in your sadness, and bringing in your fears and your joy, and letting that in a health space have a voice and have a channel. And through the, you'll be surprised like how much gold comes from this, how much like real shit comes from this, like real stuff, not stuff in the fluffy and theoretical and concepts, but like real stuff that you care about, and that when you hear it, you feel something. So this is what's gonna be happening in this workshop. You're gonna start from zero to having your own build vision board that you can print out. I'm gonna be using a software called canva.com. So if you're thinking of making your own vision board, and if you're wanting to come into the workshop, I recommend and I suggest that you go into canva.com and get a free account. You can get a free account that has certain resources, and if you get the premium account, you get like more access to more images and more assets, more features that they offer. But for this workshop, you'll be okay with just having the basic version of it. And start collecting your images from things that you care about, things that move you, things that like really touch you, and start putting these images in a folder. And then you're gonna start bringing in these images into a poster that you create in Canvas. I got an experiment that you can do right now if you want to start building your vision board, is to get your notebook or start a document online. I suggest notebook because it can take a little bit more pressure from the pen, and the idea is that you're gonna write for 10 minutes. What are you angry about? Really go to that place where you allow yourself to feel your anger and to let it have a voice and let it rise little by little. Resist the pressure of staying small, staying nice, staying comfortable, and let it the sensation of your anger rise up and come up. And then have your notebook ready and put on the top of the paper what I'm angry about is, and then let yourself write without judging yourself, without putting any filters or anything. Just like write. This is not the time for thinking about it or for stopping and judging it and editing it. Just write what comes up from, and try staying with the anger, with your energy of anger. And the distinction that you get from this is that what you are angry about is what you care about the most. And this is gonna be very clear when you write this in your vision board. You're gonna have this access to this new information, and it's exactly from this information that you can then navigate into the images. What are the images that really capture this idea that came up here? So November 11th, build your vision board. This is specifically for men, and it's for creating this space of contained space of exploring your masculine energy and masculine and feminine, and it's a space for discovering and entering into your adulthood as a man, your mature masculine adult. And it'll be from 9 to 11 a.m. Pacific time. If you want the other times, you gotta do the conversion depending on where you are. And let me know. I'm gonna be posting the link right below this video or wherever I'm sharing this video. I hope to see you there. And this is really an awesome step that you can take towards exploring your feelings, navigating your feelings, and using them consciously for creating the life that you want to create. And in going into this exploration of your feelings, you're growing up. You are really developing your ability to feel more and to feel more adult feelings. So thank you for watching this, and I hope to see you there. Much blessings to you who are watching this. And if you know any friends that would love to come to this space, please, I love it if you will send them an invitation. So that's it for now. I'll see you again in the next time. Thank you for watching.